The overall goal of this activity recognition methodology is to provide a standardized evaluation method for testing wearable mobility monitoring systems by including continuous activities in a realistic daily living environment.
This method can help answer key questions in the physical rehabilitation, biomedical engineering, and biomechanics fields, such as whether wearable sensor systems that record how a person moves provide accurate and reliable results.
The main advantage of this technique is that the evaluation protocol uses a control course that reflects real-life daily living environments.
Begin by securely attaching a phone holster to the participant at their right front hip. Start the application on the mobility measurement smartphone that is used to collect the sensor data. Then, place the smartphone in the holster with the back of the device facing outward. Next, start a digital video recording on a second smartphone. For anonymity, record the comparison video on the second smartphone without showing the participant's face. However, ensure all activity transitions are recorded. During the activity circuit, follow the participant and use the second smartphone to record all of the participant's actions. Begin by providing the following instructions to the participant. From a standing position, shake the smartphone to indicate the start of the trial. Continue standing for at least 10 seconds, and then walk to a nearby chair and sit down. Stand up